Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Vidya Aulia Putri, an English education student. I learned a second language, English, around the age of 7. Compared to before, I am now more successful in English. According to my personal experience, learning a language earlier than others makes me absorb and understand what I receive more quickly. For example, when I invited my father to learn to use English to communicate, my father had difficulty understanding and applying correct grammar and vocabulary. My sister's experience is also the same as mine, which supports the theory regarding the critical period hypothesis. The models that I use related to the second language learning process that are metacognitive and cognitive, where I study concepts or principles. I often guess the meaning of a word when I find a new word in sentence or text. And when I translate from first language to the second language. In my opinion, all second language learning models are equally possible because it depends on the individual and which learning model they find more comfortable. I am motivated to learn English to be able to communicate with people from all over the world, to increase career opportunities, and because it is needed. Apart from that, I really like playing games which are mostly in English, then watching English films and reading books in English. So I want to be able to speak English. I studied more than one second language. I had time to learn Korean and Japanese. My motivation to learn both languages was because of my interest in South Korean and Japanese culture. Meanwhile, my younger sister is motivated to learn English the same as me to improve career opportunities. And one of my friends, Rizky, is motivated to learn second language that is English because she wants to travel around the world, so she needs English. In my opinion, my definition of success in acquiring a second language is standard when I can use sentence structure, grammar and pronunciation well and correctly. Then it means I have been successful in acquiring a second language. Then I agree that younger students are more successful in informal and naturalistic learning contexts, while older students are more successful in formal instructional settings. In my experience, older students tend to use stiff formal language when speaking because they focus on grammar rules, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Meanwhile, young students tend to imitate or mimic what native speakers say. This is because younger students are in a non-analytical processing mode. I think that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.